Anyway, guys, the TV Nation came to welcome him at the airport after the Sunday eviction. Love this family. They are so supportive. You can see, guys, the family at Dube is dead. They are united, showing love to their son. Even though he didn't make it to top 10, to top 5, he thought he was going to make it, guys. The one thing about Dube, he was so confident. The Unelisa, she was disqualified. Yesterday, she went live and people thought she was going to ask forgiveness to Q. She was like, me asking forgiveness to who? I'm not going to do that. She says she missed Dawn, guys, and people are saying also a relationship is not going anyway. After this, they wanted Dawn. Some even are saying, "Go to give us Dawn this week. We want Dawn to go and meet Nelisa." There's a lady who is telling us to go to we girlfriend. Yeah, got Dawn, guys. There's a lot that is going on. Lapana Big Brother, guys. So one thing about Dube, he was too confident. He thought he knows the game. You know, I hope people that are coming for season 7, please study the game, understand the theme of the show before you go out there and act as if we know you know, because the people of South Africa, they will decide whoever they want. Remember Otanega, when she came to the house, she was sitting on 2,000 followers. Right now she's trending on Twitter, all over social media page, guys. You know, somebody who didn't even know, guys, if you go to social media, Tandega, she was just any girl, you know, unlike Liam. Obviously Liam, she was famous, she already doing the most in the industry. So yeah, man, so next time, you know, be you, be yourself, forget about what people are doing outside, do your game. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. Tell me in the comment section what you think about it. Say, do not forget to subscribe, so like it, comment, happy Wednesday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.